Mom, Phineas and Ferb are building a virtual fireplace.
It's a rest stop for Santa.
Agent P, we have a situation on our hands. My eggnog seems to be a little light on the knob.
Yeah, you, the one in the footy pajamas. Turn this one up. I want to get my Christmas groove on.
Ooh, mistletoe. Jeremy, I'm in here, my little turtle dove.
Hey, Ferb, I just thought of something great to do today.
When do we eat? I was hoping to get out of here in time to make it over to the Tri-State area's Kwanzaa celebration. Oh, just, covering all my bases.
Merry Christmas.
again.
I hope you're enjoying Christmas in Santa's rest stop. So what you're saying is it's not a clubhouse.
All right, who ate all the wings off the angel cookies?
Look, don't hate me, but I went into the kitchen to get some almond brittle. Love it!
This song always reminds me of Jeremy. I wonder if he likes the gift I got him. Hey, I should call Stacy.
Christmas really is a time for celebrating life's many blessings. And by blessings, I mean all the new super cool tools Ferb and I just opened. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Mistletoe. Okay, who wants to kiss a man in a uniform?